Welcome to the channel once again, and if you are seeing this page when you try to open your Hamster Kombat account, let me show you how to fix that in a few minutes. Okay, so this morning I got up facing this issue whenever I try to open my Hamster Kombat account. So I decided to check their Twitter handle if they have posted an update on this very issue. So I quickly got to their X handle, and this is what they have to say. Say, hey CEOs, we are aware of the issues with the Hamster Kombat app, and we are working to resolve it quickly as possible. And after a few hours, they brought up an update, okay, saying the game is back on. Fix the issues so you can now continue managing your exchanges. Yes, so the issue is fixed, but people are still complaining that the account is not opening up for them and they cannot continue their activities. So this is what you need to do. When you get to your Hamster Kombat on Telegram and you click play in one click, okay, so when you click on that, you have this error, okay, you have this error. So what you need to do is, instead of clicking play in one click, do not click on that, click on play, okay, click on this big play button, okay. So let me click, and it will open so that you can continue your mining activities. Okay, so that's all. It is fixed and mining can now continue. So go back to your app and then go and carry on your activities. See you in my next episode.